Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to start. First, confirm you have Teams installed and you're signed in. Check mic, camera, and speaker permissions so audio and video work when you join. Once done, open the calendar or click a meeting link. Select Join. Make sure to pick the right device from the device settings pane before you enter the room. This prevents delays and lets you control what others see and hear as soon as you appear in the meeting. Once in the meeting, use the toolbar to mute or unmute and toggle video. You should do this to manage background noise and privacy. Open participants to manage roles and assign presenters, because role control determines who can present or record. When sharing, choose Screen, Window, or PowerPoint, and tick Include Computer Sound for media playback. That ensures everyone hears system audio. Use the chat. To finish, stop sharing and either leave or end the meeting. Download the recording and save chat content if needed for notes. After the call, review notification and device settings so future meetings match your preferences, and update roles or meeting policies if you host regularly. If something breaks, no audio or video, first restart Teams, switch to a different mic or camera, and test your network. If that fails, check app permissions. These quick checks resolve most issues and get you back on track fast.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.